Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my kit for February from the SCT Sampler. Make today awesome, so awesome that yesterday gets jealous. And then the theme for the acrylic piece is today as well. And it'll tell us where these products come from. So we're going to get part of this kit from PinkFresh Studio, Photoplay, and Close to My Heart. This is an exclusive from SCT. These are from Close to My Heart. So you can see here some little cut aparts. Those will be cute. Or not really cut aparts, but like little punch out chipboard pieces. And then I'll take all of this out here. So there is a little envelope that comes separate, and I actually got it already. I got it first, I think, or the same day. I don't have it here. It must be upstairs. So these are the two little heart acrylic pieces. I love getting enamel dots. So this is a PinkFresh Studio. This is from the line Let's Stay Home collection. And you can see it's quality time, a little mug, a little heart with a home. And the papers for this part of the collection are here. I'll just give you a little view. These are the B-sides, I'm sure. So those are pretty colors. And then on the other side, you can hear my dog barking upstairs. So, very different colors than I'm used to working with. I don't typically get a lot of PinkFresh Studio, so that'll be fun. It's always fun to try new products from different brands that you're not always working with, because you can discover some great things. I've got little hugs and kisses, and you make my heart happy. This is part of the Photoplay Love Letters collection. A couple little ephemera pieces here. I really like this bird. And it seems to be a theme throughout. Cute little mailbox. Oh no, it's not a mailbox, it's a little potion. There are mailboxes on these papers. I believe I saw a nice heart stencil. Very pretty papers. I like that. It's all like a black, red, and white, sort of traditional kind of colors. And on the other side, you've got these really cute little birds. Love. There's the mailboxes, hearts, and this little like paisley pattern. And then lastly, we have two sets of stickers here, and these go with the PinkFresh line. So you've got these little puffy stickers, which are cute, and then some almost like little planner stickers. They look like would be good to put in a planner, but you could easily use those on a project as well for layering stickers also. Okay, so I think that's everything in there. Let's see what we can create. Okay, so I have some completed projects for you here. I'm just going to show you this envelope. I'm covering up the address of who this is going to. I have created a little kit of Happy Mail for one of my flat mail pen pals. And the things that I have created for her are a variety of different little die cuts. So I put this in there to protect the materials. I've cut out the shape of all these little boxes. If you watched my last SCT Sampler video for January 2020, you would see that I created a Happy Mail. This time I'm doing a flat mail, and I'm giving her all the pieces that I used to create that same sort of 3D Happy Mail. So here's a butterfly box that she just has to fold all of these pieces into their 3D objects. And then here I have cut out some tags. I put everything in little envelopes, and with this I've die cut some tags for her, and so she can go ahead and decorate them. I've included some gems and some ribbon, as well as the next envelopes are going to have flowers as well as butterflies. She could put on those tags. If you watched my last video for the sampler, you'll know exactly what I mean. I've included all these little rolled flowers as well as all these little pieces for her to create her own layered flowers. So that's there. This one flower is really tricky to fit in. It's just the exact size of the envelope. I really have to like put that one in first almost so it doesn't get bent over. And then some of my butterfly dies that I have done in the past, and then with the 3 layers with the vellum and everything, I can show you one of the butterflies I've made. It has the 3 layers here, so I've given her the 3 different layers and some gems for the center, and she can create her own by either stitching or gluing down the middle. And that is the butterfly kit. So that's those 3, and then I just wrote some tips and tricks for her here on how to create those. So that's one thing that I created with the Valentine theme portion of that. The next thing I created, so I had created these rosettes, and I used the Tim Holtz rosette die to create them. And then what I did was I took these punch outs here and I used them to create the centers for my rosettes. You'll see on some of them they either have a black thread or a gold thread, and those just became the centers for all of my rosettes, which will be a nice little pen pal gift. Those are perfect little things, and I'm going to show you an example of something that I created with the rosette that I did already. So this I made memory decks with just the very simple black and white pieces that came in this sampler. And then there's one of my rosettes. This one had a heart. I sparkled it up with a little bit of gems, put a little bow, and created this little memory decks. So with the other products in the kit, this is one of the cards that I made. It is all popped up here on foam squares. I used the Happy 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 in one of my birthday stamps. I just die cut one of these flags out, put some ribbon on. The acrylic piece really matches the shape of this heart black piece that came in that set, so that was really good. And then I also made some butterflies. So here are the butterflies as an example that I made here. I just cut out some of the patterned papers and layered some vellum in between. And then I used these butterflies to create these little treat bags. So I found a package of sweet tarts on sale at Michael's in the Valentine section for 80% off. So it was like $1 something for a whole giant tub of these hearts. So I put it in a bag and I decorated it up, and I'm actually going to give these to my kids. You are magical, know your power. This one says, life is sweet like honey. And again, I just used these. Oh, I didn't mean to actually put the same color blue on this one here. But it actually turned out kind of okay, but it really blends into the background there. And I just used the stickers and the puffy stickers there as well. And then for my third child, good things happen, love is real. And again, with one of these layered butterflies. And the collection matched these hearts so perfectly that it was a great little way to create these little treat bags. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.